This is an upgraded version of the Telegram forwarder I built before, and now it comes with a GUI for easier use and better control. This new version is packed with additional features for greater forwarding flexibility. One of the standout features is multi-account forwarding. You can use multiple Telegram accounts simultaneously, each operating on its own session. This means you can handle large-scale forwarding tasks without worrying about mix-ups or overlaps. Batch forwarding takes things to the next level. You can forward multiple messages to multiple destinations all at once, saving you time and reducing manual effort. You're not limited to just regular group chats anymore. This tool supports forwarding to forum topics as well. Setting up the app is very straightforward. Here's how you can do it step by step. Set a source group ID. This group is where you'll write or collect the messages you want to forward. Next, configure your Telegram API credentials. You'll need to enter your API ID and API hash. These are essential for connecting your accounts. Place all your telethon session files inside the Sessions folder. Each session file corresponds to one Telegram account, so make sure they're correctly configured. Once that's done, you're ready to start forwarding. Start by writing the message you want to forward in the source group. Open the app and click the plus button to add a new message set. Give the set a name, and then input the message ID. If your message has multiple images, list each ID separated by commas. You can also specify a range using a dash like this. Then input the forum ID, followed by the topic IDs in square brackets like this. If you're adding multiple forums, separate each with a hash symbol. You can schedule when the message should be sent, how long to wait between loops, and time between forwarding to each group. For forums, this sets the delay between forwarding to each topic. Once done, click Save to finalize the message set. Next, choose which account you'll use for forwarding the message. Before starting, ensure the selected Telegram account is already a member of the destination groups. Check for any group restrictions like media bans or slow mode, so you can adjust the settings accordingly. There are also several options you can configure to fine-tune everything to your needs. And that's a wrap for the demo. Hopefully, this walkthrough gives you a clear idea of how List Auto Forward works and how it can simplify your Telegram forwarding tasks. Remember, the right tools turn chaos into control. So keep forwarding and let the messages do the talking.